Moderate mag. 4.7 earthquake 71 kilometers southwest of Tam Kỳ, Tỉnh Quảng Nam, Vietnam, on Wednesday, May 17, 2023 at 9:33 p.m. local time, according to the TMD, Earthquake Observation Division of Thailand reported. Updated, May 17, 2023 14:53 Greenwich Mean Time 13 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in Vietnam, quakes in Cambodia, TNH Quang Nam, Da Nang, GLI. Moderate magnitude 4.7 earthquake at 4 kilometers depth, is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.